So they are working on the language dubbing, language transcriptions, etc. And I was doing something on my own, and that's how I met the owner of this company. Uh, because I was looking for assignments, and then the CEO, asked me, "What are you doing to help you in this situation?" And then I told him that this is what I am doing from be10x. And then he said that we are doing something, something into AI. And then he said, "Let's go, let's speak on that." And we started speaking, and it really worked out. The large language modules, uh, the ChatGPT, etc. That really helped. When I spoke with them, the sessions, whatever I learned, that learning helped me even to give my interview confidently, and
Okay.
that's how I got that 10% 15% hike.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Great, great. So, first of all, congratulations on your success story. How are you feeling now?
I'm a bit relieved now because I was trying for a job for the past almost 6 months, and yeah.
Okay, okay. So the motive behind this conversation is to help out, people who are in the same situation, your success story, the way you have approached your situation, how did you resolve it? How did you take B10X's help? How did B10X benefited you? So we are going to discuss all these details, you know. So before proceeding into all that stuff, can you please introduce yourself in a briefly?
Okay, I my name is Anant Naik, and I am a media professional. I'm working in the media industry for the past 20 years, more than 20 years actually. And I am a media graduate as well. I've done my post graduation from Mudra Institute of Communications, Ahmedabad. So basically, that's about me. I was working at a director level in a very big media company, and I lost my job in the month of August last year. I got a job in between, but it was only for a very brief period.
So, what are those specific learnings from the sessions actually benefited you the most?
Majorly large language modules, and the company which I am currently working is also doing something with the help of AI. So they are working on the language dubbing, language transcriptions, etc. And I was doing something on my own, and that's how I met the owner of this company. Uh, because I was looking for assignments, and then the CEO, asked me, "What are you doing to help you in this situation?" And then I told him that this is what I am doing from be10x. And then he said that we are doing something, something into AI. And then he said, "Let's go, let's speak on that." And we started speaking, and it really worked out. The large language modules, uh, the ChatGPT, etc. That really helped, and the
Okay.
command prompt I learned from the sessions,
Mhm.
that really helped.
Great, great, great. So, so you mentioned that you have received a job offer after being, laid off from your previous company. And what is the salary hike you have got if okay to reveal?
So yeah, so I got 15% salary hike. Uh, Actually, I was really not hoping to get any raise as such, because I did not have any job. So
Right.
first thing was going into my mind is that I should get a job.
Mhm.
So yeah, at some point I was even thinking that even if I get 10% less, I would have accepted that offer. But I when I spoke with them, the sessions, whatever I learned, that learning helped me even to give my interview confidently, and
Okay.
that's how I got that 10%, 15% hike.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, great. So, like, what strategy or mindset you had, Mr. Anant? As in, you were pretty serious about getting a job very soon, and you were enrolled into this course. How were you focusing on, preparation with the help of be10x?
Whatever I learned from the sessions, there was one session on giving interviews. There was one session on using LinkedIn effectively. I frankly, whatever I learned from those sessions, I did not spend too much of time on doing research. It was only that whatever I learned from the sessions, I was practicing that, and again, using those methods effectively. That was important. So whatever you are learning, whatever the Q&A sessions are happening, if you are asking them questions or someone else is asking question, if you try and focus on that, that's enough. Just some practice is required. But person like me who knows already a lot of things about whatever I am doing, it was not really a big thing for me. But these sessions really helped.
Okay, okay, great. So, any additional advices you would like to give to your fellow learners who are stuck in the similar situation? Uh, I mean, you can give some advices which will help them out to come out of this situation, and they can also get something similar achievement in their lives, like
So
people who
my advice to the people who are in a similar situation like me will be, don't lose hope, and try and fight out the situation rather than giving up. So I have seen people who had really given up on the situation, or maybe they don't have job. They are really sitting in one corner, or going into depression. So rather than that, try and do something on your own, whatever it is. These situations are going to come in your life. Not once. It will keep happening. Someone or something will take your job. There will be a situation where you can't help it. That it's not really your mistake. The industry or the landscape economy is changing. If you
right.
see the developed economies like USA, Canada, their people lose jobs every now and then. Sometimes they themselves resign from the job without having any offer. So I think one is learn new skills. Now today you have AI. The AI wave is coming up. It will remain for the next 7-8 years, or maybe 10 years. After that, maybe something else will come. Some advanced version of AI will come. You have to adapt to the situation, learn something new, set up some new targets for yourself. Do something on your own. I am in the till the time I was getting job, I was also trying to do something on my own. So I did that, and I really got some breakthroughs with my connections, with my experience, with my knowledge. And
Mhm.
I'm sure even these people will get. It's just that you have to try.
Great, great. Thank you so much for giving such a positive, words, Mr. Anand, because, this video is being watched by so many people, and, that will definitely help them out in some aspects. People who have been stuck in some situations, definitely it will give them some motivation, it will inspire them, and it will truly make a difference. So, I thank you behalf of all of them. So, and we wish you all the best for all your career endeavors. It was
Thank you.
a success story, and it was very nice interacting with you.
Thank you so much, and nice speaking to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.